channel? Welcome back to another video. We're looking at Euro USD on both the 3-hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. Here's why I wanted to make this video. Directional bias is going to be a key advantage for you, and it's also going to help you get into trades, but also help you avoid trades. Here's what I mean. Looking at Euro USD on the 3-hour time frame, you can clearly see we're coming off a peak formation low. So we should be looking for buy setups. Okay. Now, one thing that we do is we put in a fib from the top, from the bottom of the peak formation low to where the retracement started to happen. This allows us to know whether or not the likelihood of resets are likely or not. As you can see, price rejected off 618, which is what we want. Looking at the 15-minute time frame here, where's the pattern, right? The pattern that we want is right here. There's your type 2 pattern, okay? Now, some people, some traders, may see this as the pattern, okay? Why would that not be the pattern? Because it's going against your directional bias. That's why you would not look at this as a pattern. You would completely ignore this. Okay? And so that's, for me, that's the power of having the directional bias, because it allows you to not look at this as the pattern, because that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for buys. Okay? We have the confirmations that we need when we were bouncing off 618 here right before the London session started. All right, so directional bias, key point in my trading, and everything that I do every single day when it comes to making a trade has to do with my directional bias, and this is why. I hope this video brought you some value, guys. What about you guys? Tell me in the comments below, do you use directional bias? How do you figure it out? If you use a different strategy, let me know. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on it. Guys, as always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys.